I have been hearing so much about Aura lately that I want to know, and I'm so curious, what is cooking at present?
At Aura, we want to create.
Sounds amazing. I think forget that. Can I shift?
So, have you ever imagined to buy a property under 2 CR, 3 BHK, fully loaded in the heart of Gurgaon? That we want to deliver. We want to create value. We will go international very soon. Maybe to Dubai, to UK,
Okay.
or to other cities as well.
Hi guys. Welcome. Today we are here to Aura. In Aura, and the Aura over here seems fantastic. So why don't I take you through and let's talk about what this Aura is all about. Come along with me.
Nikita, welcome to our new world, that is Aura World.
Thank you so much. The world seems very different over here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. So why don't you tell us more about what this Aura is all about?
So at Aura, our tagline is creating spaces and curating lifestyles. So right now we are curating wellness into Delhi NCR. So let me give you a brief about our legacy. We are not a new developer. We have been in the market for the past 25 years.
Wow.
Our founder and chairman, Mr. Arup Roy Chaudhary, has been into real estate since 2001. He has been chairperson and chairman of NBCC and NTPC, both are government organizations. So we have very strong government licensing, very strong government bonding in terms of our future products and for our current products. After that, our MD, Mr. Shamroop Chaudhary, he has been CEO of Adani Group. You must have seen opening of Navi Mumbai Airport.
Yes.
So he has been instrumental in getting the entire thing done from the Adani Group. After that, he has done multiple tie-ups in Gurgaon. One of our key projects is getting delivered in next quarter in Sector 79. And now we are coming up with more.
Wonderful. I think that's a lot of background that you've given to us. Too much to digest at once. Huh?
So Nikita, let's have a seat.
Sure.
I'll give you a brief about our new concept. So Nikita, we are coming up with something very interesting in terms of wellness. So right now in the market, there are so many projects with senior living.
Right.
So these projects are offering very basic amenities, along with their target audience is different. So people above certain age only living there with a limited amenities, with a small group and a basic lifestyle.
Right.
So at Aura, we want to create wellness that will have numerous amenities. So right now we are doing tie-up with an international medical partner, maybe Medanta or Apollo, or likewise. They will come and they will maintain the entire medical facilities in terms of the medical center, in terms of emergency rooms, pharmacy. Along with that, we are creating wellness. For wellness, we are bringing anti-aging therapies. We are bringing cold therapies. We are bringing amazing club, gymnasium, yoga centers, book centers. So we have approximately 40 amenities which will cater to our end users
That's
to create a
awesome.
great lifestyle for them.
Sounds amazing. I think forget that. Can I shift? I think that's amazing because you've heard about so many senior living communities, and a lot of developers are doing that. They're coming
Right.
up with single towers when they're catering to this and the requirements. But something like this is beautiful. I think a lot of people are actually going to be happy to be a part of this kind of community.
So have you ever imagined to buy a property under 2 CR, 3 BHK, fully loaded in the heart of Gurgaon?
Please pinch
that
me.
that we are that we want to deliver. We want to create value. So that is the core key responsibilities of Aura developer.
I think that's beautiful, and no, I never ever can actually imagine within 2 crores to be living in such kind of community
Exactly.
where all of these things are catered.
Right.
I think that's a wonderful project that you guys are coming up like with Aura, and I think it's going to be one of the best projects that you're going to be delivering, and people are going to be really happy living there.
Absolutely. And the future is, now you can see our company name is Aura World. So the world is international. We will go international very soon, maybe to Dubai, to UK,
Okay.
or to other cities as well. So our target is to launch 3-4 boutique projects every year that would be there in Noida, in Gurgaon, or internationally also.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And are they going to be also having the same kind of living that you guys are providing here? Is it going to be different conceptually?
They may be different also. We will launch commercial projects. We will launch commercial cum residential projects. So everything will come. But right now the focus is on wellness, because wellness industry is right now more than 3 billion in
Absolutely.
India, and it is growing. People are now investing in
Yes.
healthcare, in
Yes.
wellness. So I think this is the next stock. After the stock market, people now will invest into the real estate of wellness.
Right.
That
I
is
think-
Aura Developers.
I think you're absolutely right, and I already feel the aura very positive coming from this.
Right.
So great. So I feel that the future is very bright. At present, Aura is doing a fantastic job, and I'm literally wishing you all the very best.
Thank you very much. Thank
for
you very much.
the Aura project and the Aura world. And for all of you watching, I think this is the Aura and you really need to feel it. So comment down and let us know if you would like to have a visit over here. We'll be more than happy to help you.